Prepared, we knew it wasn't going to be easy, but we had to fight, because at the end of the day, Pirates is just a name. Our players, when we get ground in, we're all the same. So we had to fight for our badge, for ourselves, and go Gosh.
Yabona bafowethu angikupromote ukuthi nake umdlali adelela team noma yipi la ku PSL, but ke bafowethu into enziwe ama fans ePirates kulomjida kuncanana. Bafowethu yabona kule interview akasakwazi ukukhuluma, sekungathi unamalimi uyangingiza, ubuza imibuzo, usibisi uhlele eduze kwakhe, uthula usibisi uhlele eduze kwakhe. Hey bafowethu ugade yonke into azoyisho, ukuthi into azoyisho nje izotrenda kuthiwa uyadelela futhi. Angazi ukuthi why iDurban City khethe yena futhi uthi aze la kule interview, ngabe bakhethe omunye umdlali. Hayi bafowethu mina ngisathandi ngalomdlali, angisathandi ngoncanana. Yabona manje ngisho ukudlala kuzoba nzima kuyena, yonke into nje isinzima manje.
Don't give drink to anybody here. Don't give the opportunity to people to come to speak here.
Hey Mapagania, the MTN 8 fixtures are out and we're playing against Durban City. Hey Asaz, no matter whoever said that this badge, this team is just a name. Asaz, Durban is just a city. So it's going to be a very tough battle. Asaz, I feel like the arena Mapagania as always, and may the best man win. Cause what do you mean this badge is just a name? Bro, like come on. Just come on. Honestly, ayihlangane arena ngobicela boy.
Yazi bengilalele ubhudi uSiphamandla uncanana kulelo nje MTN 8 le ibikhona manje ngo6:30. Ubhudi manje ngangasamthola kahle. Ubhudi manje ngathi useyangabaza manje. Ubhudi manje ngathi useyangabaza kanti wayeyibeke kahle indaba yakhe eqaleni kuleya game le. Manje angisatholi kahle. Mfowethu uncanana sekulethi kakhulu ukuthi singahlehla manje siyiDurban City silindile. SiyiDurban City singomva kwenu. Madoda kubo madoda inkulumo engayibisashintsha sekulethi kakhulu mfowethu kubo hayi khona ngangasathola manje ukuthi kwenzakalani kanti siyiDurban City silindile.
MTN 8 is this weekend. Let's talk about the fixtures coming up. First up, Orlando Pirates versus Durban City. This is going to be an exciting encounter, because Orlando Pirates said the next time they see Durban City, it's on site. They're going to have them by their washings, because Durban City, the last time they came to Scotland, held Pirates to an 0 draw, and Durban City was celebrating like they won a final. And Pirates wanted to lift the Betway Premiership in front of their home fans, but Durban City said, excuse me. And Nganana said, Orlando Pirates is just a name. So you know it's on site. They're holding a grudge against Durban City.
Hey, dala ngokufuna. Hayi awutholakala. Uyafana nje ne-team staff yomholo.
Ungafaka lento. Akekho ulamthuthu ongafaka lento. Ayifakwa ulamthuthu. Serious bukani. Ngiyantshela mina ngihambe izolo liqede. Ayifakwa ulamthuthu.
Rescue visa!